Right, so I'm in Connaught Place, and normally this is one of the most busiest places in Delhi, but look at this. There's so few people. I've never seen this place this empty, ever. This place is normally packed with people, but it's all empty. People are staying home, as they should. I mean, some areas are better than others, but yeah, it's kind of crazy to see this place completely empty. Some or most of the shops are open for business, but there just aren't any people, or many people. There's McDonald's right here. We still have some people in McDonald's, but yeah, so this is the situation. And I have some footage from before that I would show you where it was impossible to walk through here without bumping into people. But check this out, guys. Because Wonder Boy is here in India, all the news channels are out, and look at all these people. All these are subscribers. Wonder Boy subscribers are here to see him.
The Wonder Gang is in India.
They're actually listening to that guy. He's telling them to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Look at all these fans of Wonder Boy Jeremy. So many people. That was the reality, and this is the reality now. Kind of cool. Like, nobody's there. I've never seen it that empty. So, I am wearing a mask, a surgical mask this time. Somebody commented previously that mask with a breathing valve is not very effective. Well, there was an N95 mask, which is better than these surgical masks. And these are better than putting a cloth mask over your face. That doesn't do anything. And most people are using a cloth mask. So, yeah, if you are, then you might as well put your hand on your face or cover your mouth with your hands, because it's not doing much, you know. But yeah, look at this empty. I can't believe there's no one here. Never seen it like this before. Wow. So it looks like most businesses are open, but can't imagine they are getting much business during these times, especially when there's so few people around. Look at this. They are open soon. This is the entrance to one of the busiest markets, or busiest underground markets, and there's not a single person around. I guess they're still open, but no one's here. Well, it is a hot day, so maybe that plays into the factor. But it wasn't usually like that before, you know. Even if it was boiling hot, people were still out, and it was still packed, unlike now. So this is the first time I'm here since the lockdown began. So yeah, I've never seen this place like this. So it's kind of crazy. Some other parts of Delhi that I've shown you in the previous videos had a lot more people, but not here. Here it's just open stores and no customers. yeah, well, that's it. I just wanted to give you a little glimpse into what it's like in the busiest part of Delhi during the lockdown. I mean, I can only imagine in the beginning that it was much even more empty and deserted when it first started. But so that's that. So I just wanted to show you, give you a quick peek into what it's like. So that's that. Little line behind me, the little queue. What is social distancing? You don't know what that is. You have no idea. Yeah. Social distancing is a pretty complicated concept for people in India because they're used to the opposite.